Purva joins us with the very latest. Purva, this is an absolutely heart-wrenching story there from Nasik. What's the latest update that you have? We know that a probe has been ordered into this incident.
Well, in fact, that is going to be the latest step now that a high-level inquiry is being conducted in this entire matter, because as far as the oxygen supply to this hospital is concerned, well, for that brief crucial 30 minutes when the oxygen supply was disrupted, post that the oxygen supply was restored in this hospital, and whoever was in this hospital. In fact, let me just tell you that this hospital, the Zakir Hussain Hospital in Nashik, which is a municipality hospital, it has a capacity of about 150 patients, but due to the bed crisis that we have been reporting in Maharashtra, with more patients and less beds available, 157 patients were admitted in this hospital and 67 of them were critical. So 5 patients in fact were shifted out of this hospital. 4 are currently in private hospital and 1 is in another government hospital. So however, the oxygen supply has been restored in this hospital. So the administration say that it is the functioning is now normal in the hospital. However, an inquiry will be completely conducted in this matter. What exactly happened, how the leak happened, what was the fault, whether it was a fault of the administration to not check on the the oxygen tank which was getting refilled, what was it any human error that happened. So all these questions will come up, and was there any way they could have first supplied create an alternate supply of oxygen before disrupting this supply. All these questions need to be answered, so a high level inquiry will be conducted in this, and the government says that whoever is responsible will be booked, but unfortunately for those 24 families, their loved ones will not come back, and that is the tragic story, and that is the whole point, that despite these inquiries and compensations by the government, it's the people who are getting lost and they are not going to come back.
Well, absolutely, Purva. It is way too many lives lost. Many of these patients, like you heard the family members even coming out and saying that their relatives were recovering from COVID. They were on the road to recovery when this oxygen supply was in fact snapped. We'll keep a close watch on all of those developments from Nasik.